Quick question lang. Pwede ba akong kumuha ng life insurance para sa parents ko kahit matanda na sila? The answer is yes, pero may limitation. Most life insurance plans accept up to age 60 to 65. At depende yan sa health status nila ha. If they're strong and healthy and pasok pa sa age limit ng plan, go for it. Pero kung medyo late na, you can explore the following. First, pwede kang kumuha ng health card or yung mga prepaid HMO. Limited na nga lang yung mako-cover lalo sa age nila and depende pa yun sa health status. Second, ito yung tinatawag ko na self-insurance fund. Meaning, mag-save ka na lang every month for their healthcare needs. Kung hindi na value for money na gumastos at kumuha ng health card for them dahil maliit lang ang mako-cover, better mag-save ka na lang every month para hindi naman bigla-bigla na mag-shell out ka ng money kapag kailangan sila magpa-labs procedure and iba pang gagawin to monitor their health. Bonus tip, pwede ka rin kumuha ng plan for yourself and then name them as your beneficiary. If you have other questions with regards to health card and life insurance policies, you may comment down below or you can send me a message.